This video is to help you find journal articles for family law. As you may know, we do subscribe to a practice area for family law. Click on the drop-down list for practice areas and select family to find all the resources for family law gathered into one place. This is mainly for practitioners and includes practitioner texts such as the Red Book. However, for journal articles, we suggest you use a normal journal search within Lexis Library. So go back to your main home screen. You can always get there by clicking on the Lexis Library icon in the top left of the screen. And then click on the Journals tab to get the standard journal search form. You can see that there are various ways to search for a journal article. If you're just looking for any articles on your topic, go to the main search terms box and enter your terms. Use quote marks if you're searching for a phrase. And you can also add terms by just using "and" between each term. You'll see from your results screen how many results you got, and you can see that they're ordered by published date. This can be useful, but I'd normally recommend that you change that to a relevant search so you get the more relevant articles at the top of the list. When you look at the screen, you can see the article title here with the citation details, which you can use in your reference list, the date that the article was published, and the source, which means a journal that the article was published in. You can also narrow your results by choosing a specific topic or perhaps choosing a particular source. For example, if you've been asked to only find journal articles which have been published in a certain journal, such as a Child and Family Law Quarterly. You can also refine your results by adding terms in this box and searching. To read an article, simply click on the title. You'll see sometimes an abstract, which is a summary of the article, and you'll see that your terms have been highlighted. You can use these arrows at the bottom of the screen to jump through to each time that your terms have been mentioned in the text. There's a PDF document here of the article, which can be useful if you want to cite page numbers in your reference list and your citations. And you can use these buttons to print, download, or email the article to yourself. You can also add to a folder, but bear in mind that the folder is only available for 30 days. To go back to the results screen, click on the back button. And you may decide to change your search or refine your search, in which case click on the pencil icon in the top right of the screen to return to the actual search screen, where you can add terms, remove terms, and change your search. One thing that can be confusing in Lexis is that full text articles are listed alongside just the index or abstract of articles. So you can see in this source list on the right hand side the names of all the different journals. If one of them says Journals Index, it means that this will only be a summary of the article and won't be the full text. That's not always a problem. You can use the reference to see if you can find the full text of the article either within Lexis or within other law databases such as Westlaw, but it can be confusing. So to go back to our results screen, we click on the back button. Scroll back up to the top, and remember that you can always refine your search here within the search within the results box, or here by clicking on the pencil icon.